going, guys? It's K Cars, and today we are actually in Texas for TX2K21, probably the most insane drag racing and roll racing event in the whole country, if not the whole world. We've got a bunch of insanely fast cars here, underground racing, Sheepy Race. They brought all their cars out here, as well as Cletus McFarland. He brought Ruby, Leroy, and I believe James brought one of his cars as well. So it's definitely going to be an awesome time. Today is Friday. It's going to be here all day Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so it's going to be an awesome event. You guys definitely don't want to miss these videos. So that's enough talking. Now let's get to the content that you guys are here to watch. All right, 177 for the RS3, 150 for the GTR. All right, 155 for R8, and that was actually Kyle from 1320 video. This looks good. 168 for the Supra and 173 for left lane.
Shade wide the GTR. They're side by side.
165 GTR, 167 for the Porsche. 172 right lane, 181 left lane. 182 for the right lane, 196 for left lane. Yeah, 153 for the Huracan, but I think he let off because the Porsche let off also. All right, 181 right lane, 174 for left lane.
That's good.
188 for right lane, 181 for left lane.
There we go.
168 for right lane, 188 for left lane.
Here we go. Francisco got in his nose, man.
We had the Corvette on that one. 157 and 167 for right lane. All right, 207 GTR, 202 Viper. All right, 162 left lane, 192 right lane.
Here we go. They're side by side. This is really good.
1 left lane, 189 right lane. They were lined up on that one, so they didn't get their green light. All right, 171 Viper, 188 R8. Alright, they weren't lined up on that one either, so they're going to have to do a rerun.
This looks good. Looks good.
Alright, 189 for right lane, 198 for left lane.
Here we go.
Left lane, 192 right lane.
All right, here we go. Santos and Loftus, we are
All right, 160 for the R8.
looks okay, looks okay.
180 right lane, 184 left lane.
Very good on the semi.
All right, 181 right lane, 189 left lane.
And looks pretty good, looks pretty good, looks pretty good.
All right, 178 left lane, 176 right lane.
Looks good, this looks good, this looks good.
All right, 175 left lane, 183 right lane. And 172 left lane, 161 right lane. Oh geez. He had a solo run too, and he blew up.
Hey.
223 left lane, 228 right lane. Bunch of white smoke too.
This looks good. Good, good.
All right, 151 right lane, 177 left lane.
Looks good, looks good, looks good. We are.
All right, 173 left lane, 160 right lane. That was Kyle 1320 video in the left lane R8 right there.
Here we go.
Look close. 192 left lane, 185 right lane. All right, 204 right lane, left lane 193. For the left lane. I think right lane let off there. I don't know why.
The final gets Young Bueller. Here we go.
I feel like instead of hitting the anti-lag, he just hit the throttle and just went. So that's why they stopped, I'm pretty sure. Alright, 214 right lane, 225 left lane.
I can't finish the rest of that set. Here we go.
Yep. 203 Viper, 204 Huracan. He did exactly what the Huracan did the previous two races that got the Viper disqualified, but this time he had the left lane, so he won.
Here we go. Here they come.
Okay. Jeez, 855 miles an hour. Crazy. But yeah, right lane won that one, GTR.
Next to each other. Be next to each other. Be next to each other.
Right lane won that one. 190 for left lane, 195 right lane.
Here they come.
Ooh, GTR got that one. 204 for Viper, 205 GTR.
Finish line. Don't break it.
They didn't get a green light because they weren't going evenly, so they're probably going to have a rerun. Left lane. He's still on. That's 223 left lane, 215 right lane. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed all that racing footage because I know I definitely enjoyed it. Make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you guys liked this video or found it entertaining, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.